Hello and welcome to new video in mine YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to back easy uh, dislike button count in new YouTube app. But this app is modified mod version of YouTube. First of all, type in your browser YouTube Vents. I will show you how to type it. Open first link and go. If you in tablet mode, there is dwelling. If you in normal mode, then is first link. I already dwelling and I don't know speak English. I need to learn English speaking manager. After you dwelling, you install this. I already installed this. First I need to duplicate, remove because I record video before, but I fail. Open up, uh, open up and install from this. Install and install. After you install, first open manager and put in background. There I will show you notification after while about battery optimizations, how you can just turn off. For me it's fine in optimization, not crash. App is not crash. You see, I use you see how I use this app. For there I think I disable full. Every time I disable full optimization, this back on, I don't know how full turn off because this back automatic. After this, you go in YouTube Lens and there will pop up uh, about get this new layout again, about return dislikes stacing. There you can change. You can't change IP. This is an alpha, but in future you will be able to change AP link. For now, you can't. You see this use return YouTube dislike IP API. This is hard. English is very hard. I know told this, but it's hard. for I not use English every day. And yes, this is cool. This is cool, very cool. Links is there. This use YouTube integration uh, to do this, and this is sponsor blocks. This thing, this for sponsors. Who's of course I reinstall up several times because I try. Do myself? I try modify this, but I not modify. I just try to update app. Now I will show you how this work. I don't know. YouTube 2018. Ne, 2019. 2018 moron. Fuck. And you see 20 millions dislikes. My voice not low. A lot speaking, I guess. And me. China Kai. Very good joke. Oh, not dislikes. Yes, there is dislikes, but you not need use uh, other tools. I use this extension in my browser, this, but I not record video about this because other YouTubers record about this. I not record. I sound like Indian guy, but I not. I I you sorry about that. I touch my microphone. Yes, PewDiePie one is better one, I guess. Now you can finally in your mobile phone watch tutorial how fix you old printer. How to fix episode printer. What I have problem. I said I don't all or and color head flow problem. Yeah, this is it. Oh, this is this is different model of me. This is different model. This this 119 dislikes. This how cool and how 8K likes cool. Well, this is different model of my printer. This is different models. I again touch microphone. I hope I editing this video later. I think. Now watch how much dislikes have. How I much how dislikes. I will try later maybe record this part in PC. I lazy to turn off PC. Yes, I lazy to turn. I again touch microphone. I can't use microphone. No, no. I Batscoop dislikes in some of my videos. This in tutorial videos. There is 19 Batscoopet. Uh, there is 43 Batscoopet. I think there is Batscoopet. No. I there. You can hear. You can hear sound. I if you dislike video, this not count. This some bug. I think need pass 2 hours to count one dislike. I really don't know how this API work. I really don't know, but I know Batscoop. The Batscoop some videos or me. I think some of these my videos not have dislikes. This have 19 dislikes, but in YouTube Studio I think is the statistic. You don't see this is notification like I have headphones with with microphone because you will I, I will you I I think it's good time to finish with the put first YouTube Studio. YouTube.com and YouTube. I will editing in YouTube about okay. I need editing about account. No, not I not changing account or the yes the no the yes. You can I will editing funny way to count how many times I speak Croatian with English in my YouTube channel till this will be funny. Not watch this. I not watching videos in this YouTube channel. YouTube Studio. Yes. Please give me YouTube Studio. Mobile version is not not is cool. I will cut this part. Yes. But cut. Cut. No, go in. I have one copyright. This is, I think, is Boom Beach offline mode. Yes. Uh, no, I can see, but I forgot how to see this likes in this masterpiece. Uh, 19. Okay, this is correct. I think 0. 2. Uh, wait. Not refresh page. Refresh this page. This, yes, this not available. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Some data is not correct, I think. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. I think is this delete video. 19, 0, 1, 0. I think is this private Clash Royale. 3, 0, 0, 3. Rush Wars video. Half free. 26, 0, 0, 2. Paul Mods. Think this is again copyright. Think 5. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. On live streams, I dislikes from my alt accounts. This my last video. I mean stream. Only 15% people watched. Oh my god. Well, I go not anything. I need to see how much dislikes. 2, yes. 0, 4. No, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0. This 2 is not available, I think. Streams. I think I might. It's private. This is how my dislikes. You, if you work in this station, you can update this data. I share my account. I'm not afraid of dislikes. This is it. Goodbye. I hope you learn and join of this video. Goodbye.